Hello everyone. My name is Guillaume Marcotte. I'm technical director of a small ecosystem of companies in the dental sectors, including a certified production centers, a specialized e-commerce platform, and training center. We've built and integrated all of this with Odoo version by version, from the V8 to the V18. Today, I will show you how Odoo becomes a digital backbone of your certified operations. And yes, we even connect a coffee machine to Odoo, but more on that later. I'm responsible for 3 interconnected entities, all running on the same Odoo instance in a multi-company setup. Coopérative Technologie Dentaire, the CTD. It's a certified production center for customer dental prosthetic to make billing and 3D printing with 7 employees. It is ISO 3485 certified as medical device manufacturer. 3D dental store, or e-commerce platform specialized in dental equipment and materials. Over 6,000 items, including 4,000 medical devices, with a team of 22 people. It was also ISO certified, as it distributes regulated medical product, and 3D dental formation, or training center, Canopy certified, delivering professional education for digital dentistry. Why I chose Odoo? Because after generating over 1 million euros in sales using Word and Excel, we had too many issues, invoice error, no stock traceability, no analytics. I've always valued open source. I start with OS ticket on Synology NAS to manage tech support, but we need more. We need a flexible, open, scalable platform. And that could evolve with your ISO certification requirements. That's why Odoo makes sense. Back in 2017, I began testing OpenERP on Synology NAS, just out of curiosity. Very quickly, I realized its potential. So I look for local integrator to help me deploy the solution for our business. And we start by using it only for 3D dental store, focusing on customer invoicing and stock management. At that point, our WooCommerce orders were still processed manually. There was no connector. We went through several non-productive development cycles, trying to make it fit border needs. Eventually, I conclude that V8 was too limited, especially for the future CTD platform, which could require file transfer, multi-company management, medical device traceability, but that early experience gave me the confidence to build everything that came next from V12 to V18. By the end of 2020, I reached the limit of Odoo 8 setup. Our first integrator was not able to deliver what we need, especially for CTD, where the requirements were more complex and medical devices specific. So I make a key decision. I switched to Subtenno IT, an Odoo Gold partner at this time, and to bring in more structure and experience. We migrate to Odoo 12, first for 3D dental store, then for CTD in early 2021. This version was a major step forward. We active multi-company mode. We began aligning producing workflow with ISO certification, and we prepare the foundation for a proper client portal at CTD. This was the version where Odoo stopped being just a stock invoicing tool. It's become the backbone of our certified product system. Before 2021, the CTD website was built on Koana 2, a PHP framework that was outdated and hard to maintain. In January 2021, we decided to migrate the entire site to the Odoo website builder. That move changed everything. Clients could now place order directly online. They could upload multiple 3D files per order. Orders were automatically created in Odoo with attachment. We gain real-time visibility on incoming requests. It was the first true integration between our front-end and ERP, and a major milestone for CTD. This also laid the groundwork for future automation, including customer portal, file versioning, and API integration. In May 2021, we upgraded to Odoo 14, and this version marked a major shift It was the moment where logistic, compliance, and traceability become your top priority. We integrate industrial-grade barcode scanner that support the GS1 128. It's used for centralized medical device, and the HEBCC is used for implants, abutment, and regular component. These formats are required to answer the traceability under ISO certification. We also build a quality dashboard to monitor non-conformity and audit and chance delivery slips with product level tracking. More robust warehouse logistics, supporting load, serial, number, expiration date, and return. And by the end of that year, thanks all for this effort, CTD and 3DS was officially obtained the ISO 6485 certification. This version proves that Odoo could meet the regulatory demands of medical device manufacturing, even in a cooperative small-scale setup. In July 2021, I decided to migrate accounting operation fully into Odoo. At the time, our setup was inefficient and error-prone. We were generating about 600 customer invoices per month across the three companies, CTD, 3D Dental Store, and 3D Dental Formation. Each invoice had to be manually entered twice, once in Odoo for operation use, once again in your external accounting software for bookkeeping and payments. This means we had two systems to update, two customer ledger to reconcile, double the risk of error, and no automation between payment statute and order flow. This process has nothing to do with traceability or compliance. It was purely a manual financial burden. By bringing everything into Odoo, we're able to centralize invoicing, track payment natively, reduce error and administrative workload. It was a critical step to make Odoo a second point of control, not just for production, but for finance as well. At the end of 2021, WooCommerce order was handled manually. Customer place order on a WordPress store. Someone from the teams will copy-paste the order data in Odoo, then async delivery routes, validate stock, generate invoice. It was time-consuming, error-prone, and absolutely not scalable. By the end of 2021, we deployed WooCommerce Connector, order now flow automatically into Odoo, delivery method and invoicing are asynced dynamically. Rules for shipping, backorder, and kits are handled by Odoo routes. We moved from manual copy-paste to a fully integrated e-commerce pipeline. In 2022, we changed integrator again, moving from Subteno to Heroku. We also migrate your hosting to Odoo SH, which allows us to set up development, staging, and production environments. This was a key step to structure our deployment process and gain more control over update and testing. That same year, we integrate TNT for outbounding logistics. And we also implement Fintecture, a solution for instant SEPA transfer directly from the customer bank. Unlike credit card, Fintecture has no payment limit, no delay, and no fraud risk. This is particularly useful in B2B, especially for large order, where credit card often failed. Thanks to this, we improve both cash flow and customer experience. In 2023, after migration in Odoo 16, our financial context forced us to rethink priority. We couldn't afford big news feature or external development, so I focus on maximizing the value of version 80, a phase of consolidation and expansion of version 80. A phase of consolidation and expansion, several key developments were launched. We launched two new websites, 3D Dental Design. It's a dedicated platform for design service, request STL files upload, and streamline communications with labs and clinics. A Wambam store, it's direct-to-customer brands with on Odoo website, product catalog, and client portal. We replaced Freshdesk with Odoo Helpdesk, allowing our team to handle support tickets directly with the UAP, fully integrate with sales, delivery, and quality. We add a DPD connector to improve our shipping workflow, especially for Europe delivery. This version brings us closer to a fully integrated ecosystem. where website, customer interaction, production, and support are all managed in one place, Odoo. Now I will show you a quick demo for a customer place an order for production, a dental production. Just wake up the Now here you are on the website of the production center. You have all product for production, and the customer select his product. Internet. Yes. Oh, sorry. It's good. Okay. It's display. Okay. So here we have all the product we propose to the customers, and the customers select one product here. He add the material to. I take one to the carts, and after the customer go to the carts, and the specificity of this version portal, it's here. The customer can add one or a lot of files to make a build like this now. And here it's a file for my customers. He can give me all information for the delivery address, select the delivery date you want, and it's not easy. Send to the production. Now my customer send me the production. He can go to his portal to see the statue to his order. You can see the states, and you can take again his STS file. In the background, oh no, it's a mistake. You can see here the customer order with this product and the 3D files. When I confirm my order, this product, this action make a product, but directly active product. It's for the traceability for each line the order sends. It's make me a new product, and after when it make me directly the milling order, and here I can choose the different size of materials, and I can take, I think this one I don't see here, and select the lot of the material. Oh no, not this one. Maybe this one. I try another. I don't have a lot of all my material here. Here and here, the operator select the lot number of the production, the lot used for this, and when we produce it, we have the lot number here for the traceability for the medical device. If I go back to my order, I've got my delivery here, and it sends automatically the traceability for the customer here, and you have here the lot number. The customer has the same information in the portal, in the customer portal. Maybe, sorry, where's my mouse? Yeah, okay. And the specificity of our center of production of all the company, it's the ISO certification 3485, and one of the core requirements of this ISO certification standard is the validation of software used in process that impact medical device. This means that any software involved in design, production, traceability, or documentation must be formally validated to ensure it does not compromise the safety of conformity of the device. In your case, I conduct a fully validation of our use of Odoo, covering the specific workflow, configuration, and module we use to manage medical device production. Odoo is not just your ERP, it's also the system we're ready and for. Traceability of medical device, logging and versioning of files, audit trail for prospect and change, exportable record for inspection and audit. Thanks to this structure, we've been able to maintain your ISO certification while continuously improving our process with Odoo without compromising compliance. I don't talk now about 3D dental formation, but it's an important point. At first, we use the full Odoo stack for training, the event module, document module, and quiz, but we quickly reached the limits of what is called the offer for Calliope compliance. It was too permissive, not strict enough to ensure fully traceable and audit-ready documentation. That's why we purchased a dedicated module from Honneur Conseil. This module handles all the administrative aspects of Calliope: contract, attendance, evaluation, audit, export. It's a structured and compliant way. It allows us to pass Calliope audit 100% digital without any paperwork, Excel files, or duplicate tracking system. Thanks for these setups, your training activity is now full streamlined and inspection ready inside Odoo. After 5 Odoo version from the V8 to the V18, I've learned some valuable lessons about digital transformation in the real world. First, don't try to do everything at once. When you launch too many features in parallel, you lose control over adoption and quality instead. Priorities what creates real value for users, then iterate. Second, think product, not project. Don't just deliver feature, build something sustainable with continuous feedback, documentation, training, and support. Third, involve users early and often. Your power users are your best allies. Then help you spot what works, what doesn't, and where resistance might emerge. Each migration is more than a technical upgrade, it's an opportunity to restructure, streamline, and rethink your process. And it's regulate environments like yours. It's also a chance to improve compliance without slowing down innovation. The next tips for me, it's Odoo 20, planned for 2027. Yes, 27. We migrate every 2 years, a balance between stability and innovation. This gives us time to test, train, and improve your internal process between each version. In terms of roadmap, here's what's coming. We're currently migration or support for French desk to Odoo Help Desk. The full switch will be complete before Odoo 20. In Odoo 20, we plan to integrate your telephony system to uniform support and communication channel. In the meantime, on Odoo 18, we'll start experimenting using with AI-driven support tools. And our long-term goal remains the same: reduce Excel reliance, expand dashboard, and go deeper with API and automation. Let's end on something a bit more unaccepted. We actually connect a coffee machine to Odoo using a Raspberry and some GPU relay and a custom button in the Odoo backend. We can now brew coffee straight from the ERP. It's useful, honestly no, but it works. And more important, the team love it. The small project become part of your internal culture. And it's a daily reminder that Odoo is flexible. You can go far beyond standard ERP feature. And digital transformation, it's not only about automation or compliance, it's also about engagement, creativity, and sometimes fun. So yes, today we have an ISO certified ERP. That's also how to make coffee. Thank you, Odoo. Yes. No question. Yes.
Thank you for the presentation. Yes. I don't have any questions. So
no question?
No, sorry.
It's okay. No problem.
Thank you for
no question. Thanks. Bye.